How to read a WhatsApp message without the sender knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to read a WhatsApp message without the sender knowing. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just select privacy. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as read receives. So there you can just toggle off this option if you have toggle it on. And here with that, what you can do is you can just go up and there you can just select last seen and online, and here under this section who can see my last seen, you can just select nobody. And here once you're done with it, then here just under that option there you will see the section labeled as who can see when I'm online. So for that you can choose same as last seen option. And here with this settings enabled, the people won't be able to know that you have read their messages. And here again with that, if you have read messages, and here if you don't want them to know that you have read them, one last thing is to ensure that after reading that particular messages, you can just long press on it. And now here, once you long press on that particular thing, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can just select mark as unread. And yeah, this is the way through which you can make WhatsApp messages unread without the sender knowing, and you can read it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.